Good evening, all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patil. Today's date is 3rd December 2021. Today's topic name is methods in Java. So firstly we discuss what is method. Method is a way to perform a task. Method Methods in Java is a collection of to perform a specific task. Method is a block of code or collection of statements or set of code grouped together to perform a specific task or operation. Method is write once, use many times. We do not write again, it uses many times. Method method is, method is provides collection of attributes such as visibility, name, return type, arguments, and so on. Method syntax are divided into 6 subparts. First one is a method signature. Second one is a in a access modifier. Third one is a return type. Fourth one is a method name. Fifth one is a parameter list, and last one is a method body. So firstly we talk to method signature. Method allows to method signature. Method signature is a part of method syntax. It includes parameter list. Second, access modifier. Access modifier access the method. Access modifier divided sub 4 parts. First one is a public, second is a protected, third one is a private, and last one is a default. Public is a method. Public is a access modifier. We can declare the method public. Second, private. Private is also access modifier. We can declare method private. Third one is a protected. Protected is also access specifier. We can declare the method protected within the package. And last one is a default. Default is a also access modifier. When we don't use when you don't use specifier, Java provides default access specifier. Third is a return type. Return type is a data type. Return type are included in method syntax. Fourth is a method name. Method name is a name of main method. Fifth one is a parameter list. Parameter list are provides the parameters in Java access specifier. And last one is a method body. Method body is a part of a method declaration syntax. That's all about today's topic, methods in Java. Thank you.